Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for all things finance, trading, and investing. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into a crucial topic, how to choose the best Forex broker in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, selecting the right broker can make or break your trading experience. So, let's break it down step by step. First things first, let's talk about regulation. In 2024, the Forex market is more competitive than ever, but that also means there are some shady brokers out there. Make sure your broker is regulated by top-tier financial authorities like the FCA in the UK, ASIC in Australia, or CYSEC in Europe. Regulation ensures that your funds are protected and the broker is operating legally. Next up, the trading platform. A good broker should offer industry-standard platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5, or even CTrader. These platforms provide advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and customizable layouts, all of which are essential for analyzing the market and executing trades efficiently. Fees are another critical factor. Look for brokers that offer tight spreads and low commissions. Some brokers even offer zero-commission accounts, but may charge higher spreads, so make sure to compare. Lower fees mean you keep more of your profits. Leverage can be a double-edged sword. While it allows you to control larger positions with smaller capital, it also increases your risk. Make sure your broker offers customizable leverage options so you can choose the level that matches your risk tolerance. Deposits and withdrawals should be quick and hassle-free. Check whether the broker offers various funding methods like bank transfers, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. Also, make sure there are no hidden fees for withdrawals and that they process them fast. Customer support is often overlooked, but trust me, you'll want a broker with 24/7 customer service, especially when the markets are volatile. Whether it's via live chat, phone, or email, make sure the broker's support team is responsive and helpful. If you're new to Forex or looking to improve your skills, educational resources are key. Many brokers offer free tutorials, webinars, and even demo accounts where you can practice trading without risking real money. And there you have it. Those are the top factors to consider when choosing the best Forex broker in 2024. Make sure you take your time, do your research, and choose a broker that fits your trading style and goals. Call to action overlay. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.